Hello YouTubers, Sonic Ox here. Today is Sunday, February 18th, 2024. Hope you and your families are all doing well. This is just a short video recording a mishap that I had 2 days ago with the OX7. My plan was just to fly that mile out to the new construction and back, and everything was going fine. It was a little bit breezy. I made it over there and turned around and started back, and the thing just fell out of the sky. I had a black screen on my monitor, and my radio was telling me telemetry lost. And I don't really have an explanation for it. I guess it's possible that I hit the disarm switch inadvertently. So, you know, it's down out there in that square mile. I didn't know exactly where, but I knew the line I was on, and I figured, well, I've got my GPS coordinates from my DVR recording of the on-screen display, which it turned out that didn't record. I don't know if I deleted it in my haste, or it just didn't record from the beginning, or I forgot to push record, or what, I don't know. But so that failsafe wasn't available. When I lost telemetry, I hit the return to home, but that didn't do anything. And I had the remote ID module on it and operating, but I couldn't see the drone on the app, on the drone scanner app for the remote ID. So Mrs. Ox and I hiked around out in that acreage for a while, hoping we could hear the beeper. I do have a beeper flasher on it from VIFLY. Of course, the flasher wouldn't be active because it wasn't dark. This coming up is the crash. So anyway, long story short, we hiked around for a few hours, couldn't find it. I figured I'd go back out after dark and look for the flashing. You see right there, she just flipped over and went down. Anyway, I found it in the darkness, almost a mile from home, and the only thing completely damaged was the battery. I had the lithium-ion 6S, and at least one of the cells is ruptured in there, I believe. That's it. That's the only total destruction. So I got lucky. I found it. I just wanted to bring you guys up to speed. I've already done some flight testing on the smaller lipos, and everything seems okay, but I did lose that battery. They're about $80, but could have been a lot worse. All right. Catch you guys on the next one. Ox out.